3 and 4 and a 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, 2, 3 and 4 and a 5, 6, 7 and 8, and a 1, 2, hit, back, 7 and 8. Good. First separate. What we're basically doing here is basic number 1 with Jinga going down and turning the hip of the leg we are stepping on. And 1, and here's the heel of the other leg turns. We go on the end up, and then we drop on the other leg, 2, and we turn the other hip in, because we're stepping on the right and it goes on the left, so the hip goes in to the left. And then we go up here and we stay with the open hip, because it's going to come 3 and 4, and the accent is on the left side. So the guys, you're going to roll the bellies, and you're going to push with the finger, and you're going to give her the left hip. 3, go back, 4. So don't do it left, right, just do it left, left. Okay, one more time. 7, 8, 1, 2, up, 3, 4. And then we are here. Then we go to balance without Jinga first. 5, 6, 7, 8. And in this motion we're going to add what is called Jinga. Okay? So we're going to go on the hip, and the same thing we did before. If you step on the right, the right hip goes in, and you go down. And 5. And then you go the other way. 6, 7, 8. Good. Eva's going to explain this motion for the guys and for the girls.
Yeah. So we have 3 steps to the 8. Yeah. So first of all, it's important that you build a bridge with your body. So up, down, up, down, up, down. Then the second part is that you turn inside the heel from the leg which is free. So when I go back, my front leg is free, I turn the heel inside. When I go front, my back leg is free, I turn the heel inside. Back and inside and inside and inside. And now comes the hip. So when I go on the leg, I really go deep into the hip. And then when I change, I roll the hip to the back. To the back. So I go back and change. And back and change. Back, change, back, change, back, change. And the heel and the bridge and everything. Yeah? So this you can practice at home.
Together. 7, 8, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here we do one side. 1, 2, 3, and 4. In order to do this, we were here, we need to open our left hand, guys. 1, 2, 3. Stop the girl, with body weight on both legs now, and just from the feet. I have the girl locked with the hip and with my arms on me, and I'm going up, and that's why she's going with me. Okay? If I release, I can go up alone. If I push, she goes alone. If we're together, we go. But from here, I'm going to bring her a push on the shoulder, and with the right hand, I'm going to tilt so she goes down. And I will go down myself. Let's try this from the side. It's better. So we're here. Let's try to separate first. So the hand is on the shoulder, and I tell her, go, and I go myself, 2, and then I tell her on the hip, come back, and I come back. You see how I did it? Just a short touch, and push, go, and then gentle touch on the hip so she comes back. If the girl doesn't do it with a gentle touch, don't force it, just let her, you don't need to do everything with everything, okay? So, we are here, let's do it from the beginning one time. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, 2, 3, and 4, and a 5, 6, and 7, 8. From here, we're going to go balance back. 1, 2, and we're going to do the same Jinga we did before. 1, 2, but now I'm going to go really fast, a little bit away. And then I'm going to provoke her coming forward to bump into my hip, gentle. 3, 4, so there are 2 touches there. 3, 4 on our hip, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to fall back, 6, and then syncopation, 7 and 8 to close and to come back into the other leg.